Hi guys, I'm Festus Idu, and today we'll be talking about Kubernetes.
Final year spent in university. I'm so familiar.
I just got my DevTech 4K camera, and I'm testing it out actually. Hi guys, today we'll be talking about accessibility.
Hi guys.
Yeah, hi guys.
Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And finally, I'm getting to do this. I've always wanted to start a YT channel where I can share stuff, most especially about my software engineering journey, vlogs, fun moments, and just everything and anything I find interesting. And finally, here we are. This is my very first video, and I thought, what's a better way to start than by introducing myself properly? So stick around, get to know me, and let's have some fun. So who am I and what do I do? So a little about me. I am Festus Idowu and I am a software engineer with a focus on web technologies, and I'm a recent grad of electronic and electrical engineering from Obafemi Awolowo University. And I'm a big fan of technology, solving problems with technology, social impact, and all. And I've been coding for a couple of years now, and it has been crazy, exciting, and sometimes frustrating ride. But I obviously and definitely I love it. And I've worked on a couple of projects ranging from Web 2 applications, Web 3 decentralized applications, and even like Web 5 working with TBD. And through different verticals like edtech, fintech, climate change and sustainability, IoT, Internet of Things, carbon emissions, um, artificial intelligence, embedded systems. As I did a little bit of tinkering while I was in school. Of course, I did electrical engineering, and more recently dabbled into working with the new hype in town, AI powered applications, LLMs, and all. But before we get into the projects I work on and will be working on, let me take you back to where it all started. I just love to build stuff, even though I don't build enough, and I don't even push out my side projects enough. And that changes this year. And yeah, my journey into tech wasn't exactly straightforward. I didn't just wake up one day and say I want to be a software engineer. It was more of a gradual process. And although I've always wanted to be an engineer growing up, as most guys, especially, we all have our fantasies growing up, and then I had it in mind that, oh yeah, I knew I was going to go into engineering, but I wasn't sure what aspect of engineering. But then back in my secondary school, I was introduced into programming. Yeah, I think we did QBasic. QBasic, we wrote a simple QBasic program in a shell-like terminal then, and that was my introduction to programming. And then moving forward from there, not until after my first year in the university, where I attended a three week boot camp after exams, and we were introduced into web development. I did HTML, CSS. We didn't do JavaScript. We didn't do JavaScript. We did HTML, we did CSS, and we did Bootstrap too. And yeah, and then they were given templates. Go and be working with templates, editing templates, and all. But it was quite interesting. From there, I started experimenting with simple code, and before I knew it, I was hooked. I took online courses, built small projects, and eventually started working on more or less serious stuff. And I remember I wrote an article a couple of years back on Ashnode titled "Web Stole My Heart." Yeah, I think I'll drop the link, and you should check it out. My journey to web development and all. It wasn't always easy. There were times I felt completely lost, as everybody else, especially when learning new concepts. But one thing I've realized is persistence. Everything in tech, everything you do, you learn, you have to be persistent. And no one knows it all from day one. But the key is to keep learning and keep building. Yeah. Talking about some of the projects I've worked on, I love building things that actually solve real world problems, which I'm still working on and I'm working on this year because I actually need to push product apps that people use. And the applications I've built over the years, I've had the chance to work on some pretty cool ones. And most of my projects were born out of hackathons. Yeah, so for example, I built Wallet, which is a cross-border payment solution leveraging TBDX SDK. And I also want to build Shige Fund, a centralized fundraising application to to solicit for funds for your shege, the shege that you might be facing. And yeah, there are a couple of other projects I built during hackathons. I built Urban Explorer, built HealthX, Rafa, a health platform for patients and doctors with leveraging AI for productivity as well. And I built a bunch of smaller projects just for fun and learning. And these projects have allowed me to explore so many cool technologies. Yeah, so many cool technologies from blockchain to AI. In the blockchain space, I just dabble into stuff. So I built product on Algorand blockchain, on Polygon blockchain, and I think back then when Rich Lang was still a thing, I deployed on Ethereum as well. And I can't wait to share more of this project with you on this channel. And yeah, another big part of my journey has been hackathons and competitions. If you don't know what an hackathon is, it's basically an event where developers, designers, creators come together to build a solution, build something amazing within a short time, ranging from 24 to 48 or 72 hours. And in recent times, most times, hackathons can run for months, a month, weeks, and even like 3 months plus. And sometimes they run for a year, but it's always intense and super fun. I've participated in quite a few hackathons, and I've won a few hackathons as well, like Microsoft's Game of Learners challenge season 2 back in 2021, the Google Solutions Challenge in 2023, Decentralized Web by TBD 2024, and a couple of other acts. Yeah, these experiences really pushed me beyond my limits. They helped me learn fast and introduced me to lots of smart people in the world, because hackathons introduced me to lots of people, smart people in the world, and it helps me learn fast, build fast, because most times I'm always like stuck in tutorial hell. I learn a lot, I see videos, I see courses, but then hackathons like enable me build stuff. If you've never participated in an hackathon before, I highly recommend it. You'll be surprised what you can build in a short period of time if you are dedicated and if you put your eyes on the line. And also, you get to win amazing prizes as well. You get to win swags, merch, and all, which most people want in tech and all areas of life. All right, enough of the tech talk and all. Here are some fun facts about me. And when I'm not coding or when I'm not learning, I tend to like read about finances, businesses, investments, startup ideas. Yeah, I just geek around and learn about all this stuff. These are things that like pique my interest. Yeah, and also I I want to put on weight, so I tried signing registering at the gym. Yeah, I go to the gym, I lift weights, but then I've not been consistent, and I'm still like this. But yeah, I was consistent for some time, but then I had to stop because of learning and all and all. So right now I do a little bit of exercises at home. Yeah, I lift weights at home, and also I like music. I like musical instruments. I play the keyboard, I play the violin and the guitar. Yeah, it's been years since I last played the violin, but then I still play the keyboard and sometimes play the guitar as well. And these are things. It's not all tech. I still have a life outside of tech, which I also want to like work on and improve on. Yeah, so let's play a game. 2 truths and 1 lie. I'll tell you 3 things about myself, of which 2 things are the truth and 1 is a lie. Here we go. Number 1, I never have to worry about hitting my head on door frames. Number 2, I play video games a lot. Number 3, I can speak 2 languages fluently. Yeah, so which one do you think is the lie? Drop your guesses in the comments and I'll review the answer in my next video. Hopefully it doesn't take time. And yeah, if you have made it this far in the video, I really want to appreciate you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. To wrap up, why am I doing this? Why am I starting a channel? Basically, I decided to get more serious with core software engineering, and here's me documenting my process. I want to improve my communication and presentation skills. I want to improve my soft skills, and along the way, during this process, I can get my dream job as well. I'm not saying I'll do this forever, but I really want to do this for this year, and I do not have the luxury of time to record videos, edit videos, do all these effects and all, but I'll definitely be pushing out videos. It will be in form of live streams. Might be live streams that are spontaneous videos, no much editing, discussing my learnings, and once in a while talk about the latest trends in tech, and I'll share resources along the way if I run into them. Also, early in the year, I got into Rise Academy as a backend software engineer, which aligns with my software engineering goals for the year. And basically, I'm doing the hard things and I'm learning consistency, which is why I'm doing this as well. Doing the hard things, learning consistency, building discipline. And I just want to push out the things I'm doing. And yeah, to be more of talking about algorithms, talking about data structures, talking about databases, talking about system design and architecture, building products from end to end and everything in between. Yeah, this channel is going to be all about my journey as a software engineer, the cool projects I work on, the cool projects I'm planning to work on this year. Yeah, I'll be sharing them all, and the behind the scenes, the fun moments, the down moments, the ups and downs. I'll be sharing everything. And if this sounds interesting to you, make sure you hit the like button, you subscribe to my channel, you can share, or just turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And I'd also love to hear from you, encouragement, advice, and things you want to see on my channel. Let me know in the comments. And with that, I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.